Hello, and welcome to our video where we'll explain the concept of surge pricing. Today, we're going to create a surge trip. Let's begin by logging in. After successfully logging in, select Book Trip from the menu. You will see the overall screen, including the pickup address and destination address. But our focus today is on the Surge Hours trip. First off, let's understand what a surge trip is. Surge pricing is a dynamic pricing strategy used by various ride-sharing and transportation services to adjust fares based on the supply and demand dynamics in particular areas during specific times, commonly known as rush hours. The key goals of surge pricing include promoting driver availability, balancing supply and demand, increasing service reliability, ensuring stability, and providing fair compensation to drivers. Furthermore, it's a strategy to maximize earnings for drivers. While surge pricing plays a significant role in enhancing the efficiency of ride-sharing services, it has attracted discussions concerning fairness and transparency. Service providers aim to communicate surge pricing to passengers in a clear and transparent manner, enabling them to make informed decisions about their rides. The implementation of surge pricing is frequently determined by administrators and is typically targeted at specific time periods. Now, let's delve into how surge pricing is applied. We start by adding our pickup address. Next, input our destination address. You'll then see the locations for pickup and destination. Then you can see the destination later and add stop. We're embarking on a surge hours trip, so we won't select any specific destination. This is for a later trip, along with a stop added later on. We're focused on selecting our type. Then, you'll notice both notifications regarding the fare estimation and the nearby driver list. When you look here, you'll see the fare estimation. In this view, we can see the base fare, the distance fare, the time fare, the cancellation fee, and our service type. Additionally, we can view the pickup address, the destination address, the distance, the time, and here we can view the surge pricing multiplier. We can also define the fixed rate here. Now, we're proceeding to create a trip. You can also opt for a rental ride, share a ride, or even choose an open ride. Surge pricing can also be applied to normal trips. However, for now, we'll just proceed with the Now options. You have various payment methods available, including using cash, card, or even your wallet option. Here you can also view the bidding option, which we will skip for now. If you wish to apply a promo code, you can click on the Apply button. If you have a promo code, you can manually add it here. We're not adding one at this moment, so we'll move on to the next step. Here, you can see options for Ride Now and Schedule Ride. We're going for the Ride Now option. However, when you want to schedule a trip for a later time, you can use the Schedule Ride feature. We are proceeding with the booking right now. Here, you can see that we receive confirmation from the driver regarding your choice of pricing. If you want to opt for surge pricing, you simply need to click on the Confirm button. We also offer the option of fixed rate availability. In the fare estimation view, if you prefer the fixed rate, you should click Yes. If you decide not to go with the fixed price, then you click No. Additionally, we can apply surge pricing to both the fixed rate and the normal fare. After successfully creating our trip, we wait for the driver's response. Here, you can view all the details of the trip while we wait for the driver. Upon the driver's acceptance of our trip, the status will update and we'll be able to see the driver's information, including the driver's name, phone number, rating, and we also have the option to chat with our driver. Moreover, we can specify our preferred vehicle details, such as the name, license plate number, and input our pickup address and destination address. Should you need to change your destination address, this can easily be done. You can also check the service type selected for your trip. In case you wish to change your payment method, whether to cash or card, you can do so by clicking on the Edit button. Following this, you will see the trip status update. Once our trip is accepted, we wait for the driver to arrive. When the driver has arrived, we can then commence our trip. We provide both options for split payment as well as trip cancellation. Split payments come in handy when sharing costs with friends. To use it, simply select the split payment option. In case you wish to cancel your trip, click on the Cancel Trip button to proceed. Currently, we are not using either split payments or cancellation. We're simply waiting for our trip to start. Once initiated, you'll be able to see all the charges we've defined. We'll then wait for the trip to complete, at which point we'll be able to view the invoice. By clicking here, you can distinguish the ride charges, including tax and other fees. You'll also be able to view the customer payment and the payment gateways being used. Additionally, we offer the ability to see the surge pricing multiplier and inform the user on the invoice. Here you'll see waiting time as well as the distance. You can also track the status of your trip, such as when you created, then the driver's acceptance. The driver is en route to your location, arrived your pick address, and your trip is started, and then completion of your trip. You can view the driver's details here, such as their name and number will be available. You can also view the pickup location where the trip began, as well as the destination address. Additionally, you'll have access to the pricing details service type and all trip details displayed on a map. Here we can see our pickup and destination locations. Once you're ready, click on the Submit button to submit your invoice. You'll also have the opportunity to rate and review your driver. In this case, we're giving a 5-star review to our driver. Additionally, you're able to give a tip to your driver. This option becomes available when you use a payment gateway, such as a card. After giving the tip, you can provide a written review. Once everything is complete, hit the Submit button to finalize your invoice. And with that, we're done with our trip. Thank you for watching. We hope this flow has been easy to understand and helpful. Thank you for your time and appreciation for this tutorial.